In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create project cost estimates in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're managing client projects, tracking expenses, or planning budgets, creating accurate and detailed estimates is key to staying organized and professional. QuickBooks Online makes this process straightforward, and in just a few steps, you'll have everything you need to create and save an estimate that's directly linked to your project. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, you can use the link in the description below to sign up and get started. Now, let's dive into the process. First, head over to your QuickBooks Online dashboard. On the left-hand panel, you'll see a section labeled Projects. Click on that to access all the projects you're managing. Once you're in the Project section, select the specific project you want to work on. This step ensures that the estimate you create will be linked to the correct job, keeping everything organized and easy to track. Next, take a look at the top right corner of your chosen project screen. There, you'll find a small caret icon, which is essentially a drop-down arrow. Click on this icon to open a menu with additional actions related to the project. From the options that appear, select Project Estimate. This will open up an estimate form that's already tied to the project you selected, so you're starting with everything in the right place. Now, it's time to fill out the estimate form. Begin by adding the products and services relevant to the project. You'll find a column labeled Products and Services where you can input this information. For each item, make sure to include a clear description, the quantity needed, and the rate per unit. QuickBooks will handle the math for you, automatically calculating the total amount for each entry. If you've grouped similar items into categories, use this feature to make your estimate more organized and easier to read. For example, you might group materials, labor, or specific project phases together under clear headings. While you're at it, consider adding specific details like unit measurements, phases of work, or model numbers. These details help avoid confusion and ensure your client or team fully understands what's included. Next, take a moment to check the tax settings for each item. If any of the products or services are taxable, make sure the appropriate tax is applied based on your local requirements. This is important to avoid any discrepancies later. If you need to include internal notes or assumptions, such as delivery timelines or scope boundaries, you can add these details in the description field. These notes are helpful for clarifying expectations, especially for complex projects. Once you've completed the form, scroll to the bottom to review the subtotal and any taxes that QuickBooks has calculated. Double-check these totals to ensure everything looks accurate. Also, confirm that the estimate date matches your project's planning timeline, as this helps keep your records consistent. When you're satisfied with all the details, simply click Save to store the estimate with your project. And that's it. Your estimate is now ready and linked to the correct project in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.